Hello and welcome to Liverpool Volkswagen Van Centre. I'm here today to talk about this Volkswagen Caddy Panavan. This is the Sport R Edition 1 litre TSI 102 PS, and as you can see it is finished in the candy white solid paint. Take a look around the vehicle, you can see straight away it does have the upgraded front splitter on in the gloss black. Come round to the side, you can see you do have the gorgeous 19-inch alloy upgraded wheels, the DRC alloy wheels with the black sidebars and roof rails, short wheelbase as you can see. And as you come round to the rear of the vehicle, you see this vehicle does come with the rear barn doors, and it is also fitted with the rear parking sensors on the rear bumper. Open up the tailgate, you can see you do have the vehicle ply lined, keeps the vehicle and load secure and safe, minimises any damage. You do also have your lashing rings across the floor as well to strap your loads in if need be, as well as two lights in the back to see on them dark nights. Coming around to the passenger side, you can see you do have a side sliding loading door. And again, there's another look at your absolutely stunning alloy wheels. Entering in through to the driver's cockpit, you can see you do have the Caddy branded floor mats just here with the R badged full leather seats with the white stitching. This vehicle does come with a lovely amount of storage space. You do have your standard glove box, one on top as well as another one on top of the whole dashboard, as well as storage spaces throughout the centre console. You do also have your full overhead storage as well. As this is the 102 PS, you do have your 5-speed manual gearbox, which you can see just there. This vehicle is fitted with start-stop technology, which you can turn on or off depending on your personal preference. Looking into your entertainment system, you can see you do have the full DAB, FM and AM radio functions, your media, which is your CD, SD, aux, USB just down here, and you can see, as well as Bluetooth connectivity, which is located under the phone section. So your climate control functions, you can see your air conditioning option just there as well. This vehicle is fitted with the 3-spoke design, flat bottom leather multifunction steering wheel, with your media controls on the left hand side, as well as your head-up display controls on the right hand side. You see your lights options just there, as well as the heated wing mirrors option just there as well. So if you do require any more information regarding this vehicle, and or you are looking to make an inquiry, please do not hesitate to give us a call on 0151 515 2911 and offer sales, and I'm sure I'll be happy to help. Thank you.